What's up, everyone? In the world of computer technology, the inception of Bluetooth mechanical keyboards has made tremendous progress on account of its wireless connectivity, smart appearance, convenient portability, and many other valuable features. There are a number of options on the market, which makes it difficult to choose the best one. In this video, we compiled a list of the top 5 best Bluetooth mechanical keyboards on the market today. Be sure to watch till the end for our best recommendation. If you want more information or updated pricing on the products mentioned here, check out the links in the description below. If you have another product you'd like us to review, let us know by leaving a comment down below. So without further ado, let's get started. First we have Keychron K2. Typists and programmers always prefer anti-ghosting keyboards that come with improved tactility. This keyboard is bound to fulfill the requirements of those customers, since this is equipped with an N-key rollover. This feature will make the keyboard detect and record every keystroke at the first attempt, thereby saving users time and effort. Its pros are: it comes with Gateron switches. It includes various RGB backlighting effects. It has a fast and far-ranging connectivity due to the Broadcom Bluetooth chipset. Its rechargeable 4000 mAh battery claims to live for up to 72 hours of typing. And it boasts N-key rollover, NKRO, through a USB connection and 6KRO through Bluetooth connection. However, it has no caps lock indicator. And its Keychron K2 does not include an insert key for Windows. Bottom line is, it is reliable and has broad compatibility. It has white LED backlight with elegant keycap legends, and it has 50 million keystroke lifespan. Next we have KLUDGE RK61. This keyboard comes with a unique angled base which allows the fingers to reach every key effortlessly. Another well-grounded approach is the lightweight, compact, and travel-friendly design, which makes it convenient for the user to carry it in a laptop bag. It also flaunts 17 different LED light effects. Its pros are: it weighs only 0.5 kilograms. It comes with blue LED backlighting. It incorporates an 8-degree stand angle. It is swappable between 3 compatible devices. And its 800 mAh battery enables the user to use the keyboard continuously for 10 hours. However, its keys make distracting noises. Bottom line is, it has original flavor of blue switches. It has an 8-degree ergonomic designed angle, and it has a 11.5 by 4 inches mini compact size. Next we have best for the money, Logitech G613. If you are inclined to choose highly responsive keyboards, then go for this one, as it boasts a high-speed response time of 1 millisecond. If you prefer keyboards on the basis of battery lifespan, then pick this unit without a second thought. The battery will surely meet the expectations of pro gamers. Its pros are: it is composed of Romer G switches for quiet key travels. The G613 claims the life of switches to be 70 million clicks. It promises full service for up to 18 months with 2 AA batteries. Its wireless technology is ultra-fast with an amazing response rate of 1 millisecond. And it includes 6 programmable G keys and eliminates the problem of repetitive keystrokes. However, its keys tend to feel mushy, a little heavy due to the attached wrist pad, and the printing on the keys faints with time and use. Bottom line is, it is the best for the money. It has quiet, precise mechanical performance, and it has light-speed wireless technology. Next we have runner-up, DIERYA DK63. Buyers reported that they are accustomed to using this keyboard for editing long documents and would like to recommend this product to everybody looking for an opportunistic wireless model. According to them, the battery life and 8 modes of backlighting are the most outstanding features present in this product. Its pros are: it has 10-meter range for Bluetooth connectivity. It sleeps after 3 minutes of inactivity. It runs on a 1900 mAh rechargeable battery. It flaunts 7 colors and 8 modes of RGB backlighting. And its adjustable foot attains optimum balance and a comfortable keyboard angle. However, its Bluetooth is not compatible with PS4 and Xbox. Bottom line is, it supports up to 3 Bluetooth devices simultaneously. It offers 2 times more battery capacity, and it combines 8 RGB lights effects. Finally, we have Best Overall, CORSAIR K57 RGB. It has a competitive approach to slipstream connectivity. The CORSAIR K57 is equipped with sub-1 millisecond slipstream technology, which offers exceptionally fast, reliable, and widespread range connection. Another first-class quality of this model is the separable palm pad, which enables the user to rest his or her palm on it for painless typing. Its pros are: it is super lightweight and compact. It boasts a detachable wrist rest pad. It includes volume and multimedia control keys and 6 macro keys. It's comprised of RGB backlit keys that deliver 18 lighting effects for nearly 35 hours. And it can be installed by using any of the 3 modes: slipstream, Bluetooth, and USB cable. However, its num-lock and caps lock lights tend to work improperly. Bottom line is, it has dynamic per-key RGB backlighting. It has 6 programmable macro keys. And it has a detachable soft rubber palm rest. There you have it, our top 5 best Bluetooth mechanical keyboards on the market. Check out the links in the description below for detailed information and the latest pricing. If you thought this video was helpful, please click on the like button and consider subscribing. If you didn't, let me know why in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next video.